Hi. Welcome my friends. Drone X Pro Limitless 4 GPS 4K UHD Camera Drone for adults with EVO obstacle avoidance, 3-axis gimbal, auto return home, follow me, long flight time, long control range, 5G Wi-Fi FPV live video, ICE, superior stabilization, with travel case. Obstacle avoidance and upgraded 3-mile long flight range. Finally fly worry-free. The obstacle avoider uses a laser to scan all obstacles in its flight path and avoids them with ease. Limitless 4 is our newly upgraded drone with long flight time and long flight range that allows you to explore longer and further than ever before. 30 minutes long flight time per battery. GPS with auto return home. Limitless 4 has a precise GPS system on board which allows you to track and record your flight. A map shows distance and speed of the drone as well as its exact latitude and longitudinal location all on your screen. Return to home, RTH, works seamlessly with one press of a button. Your drone comes back to its exact takeoff location. Never worry about low battery or loss of signal. Limitless automatically returns home, keeping your quadcopter safe from harm. 30 minutes long flight time per battery, equipped with a high-capacity upgraded 5000 mAh battery providing 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge, so if you have an extra battery you'll get 1 hour of flight time. Want even more flight time? Enter code BO7x2D3WZ9 into Amazon's search bar. Limitless 4 is also equipped with brushless motors. 1806 brushless motor noise reduction fan blade provides efficient power, low noise, extended battery life, and precision control. 3-axis gimbal, 4K UHD resolution, ICE and anti-shake. There's no denying that you absolutely need a drone equipped with a 3-axis gimbal if planning on recording video. This makes filming incredibly smooth and professional, especially now with the upgraded ICE system added. Dual cameras allow for multiple angles. Pictures, videos are instantly and wirelessly transferred to your smartphone's photo album. You do not need a 5G capable phone. One key sharing to easily share your videos on social media. You can get the product through the link below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to get the latest offers. Thank you.